Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring the Belkin wireless, this adapter for your iPhone and your iWatch on 2-in-1. So stick around and check it out and let me know what you guys think. It's one of those things that they combine 2-in-1. So we're going to open it up here in front of you guys and let me know guys what you think. I'm going to switch the camera out and get it closer to you so you guys can check it out. This is the box that you get, you know. And they tell you everything that's in here included. I mean, it says charging station, a dock for Apple and iPhone, stations to charge for Apple Watch and iPhone. So it does 2-in-1, but it looks a little ugly and bulky. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you purchase this. So let's go ahead and open this whole thing first. Start with the side panel here. Got a little opening. I mean, I saw it and they have better ones now these days, but this was like on sale during the time that I bought it, and it seemed like it was a good thing too, you know. So it gives you good advice of what to do with it, because a lot of people don't know how to use it, you know. It's pretty much you set it up and forget it, you know. And we're gonna demo it here too also. So I'm opening the box, taking the box out, and see what you get when you purchase this. And let me get you a picture of it, how it looks like, you know, so you guys can check it out. It's the Belkin one, and see how the display, it shows you exactly how it's gonna look like with the watch and then the iPhone. We're gonna set it up here, and I have an iPhone X also too, so we're gonna go ahead and demo it together. And here's the box. It just popped out from the one side. I actually got it on the wrong end, but it's not bad. It's very heavy. It's like a brick. It's super heavy duty. It's one of those things that you can't move after a while. It's just really sturdy. It comes with its own power, of course. You know, it gives you a big old block right here. There's 2 manuals, warranty in here. Nothing else but the warranty, the manual, and a box, in dead end box, nothing else. So, and you get instructions here how you're supposed to put the watch in there. Here's the instructions how you're supposed to set up the watch and how you're supposed to place the phone. So it gives you a step-by-step how to dock it in there and face it back. Pretty much it sits down and it leans back. So also on the back of it, there's a little notch here in the back that tells you that it pops it out in and out. So let's go ahead and review this part. Right here in the back of it, there's a little notch here in the back that actually brings this down, leans it down. Once it goes up, you're supposed to lean it down, and you're supposed to twist it back down. You could dock it once, but it's pretty much a base that will actually bring it up and down. See how it pops up in and out? It retracts. It retracts and it comes out. So right now I'm bringing it back down. If you guys can see it, it's disappearing, but there's a little notch right there that you can see. I guess depends on the different versions of iPhones you're gonna plug in here. The instructions are very simple. They give you a little tape. I'm gonna take it off here. This is around, how many voltage is this? This is it's saying that it's about, how many voltage is this? It's about 100 to 240 volts. So it's not their typical 5 volt, which your iPhone requires, or your iWatch. This actually is a little bit stronger. So luckily enough, I have all that stuff. It's a plug-in. It's a unique plug. It's not of USB. So just remember that if you're gonna plug in, it's a unique plug, right? And it's 100 to 240 voltage on it. You plug it into the back, and there's a unique little way. It just goes all the way into, so it won't pop out easily. Very simple to plug in. And we're gonna demo it here. We're gonna plug it in, see how it works, and see it charges. I thought it was gonna charge wirelessly on your phone. It would have been nice if it would have charged wireless your phone, because the iPhone X has it wireless, you know. But that's a bad thing about this. It's just wireless for the actual watch, not for the phone, you know. This is a big disappointment for me. I thought I was gonna do 2 wireless, you know. I didn't expect this thing here, honestly. I thought it was just gonna be a docking station where you plug it in and forget it, you know. It's one of those things. But Other than that, I don't know. It's pretty ugly, you know. It's pretty bulky, eyesore. It's not for me, you know. You get your phone, of course. This is an iWatch, all right, just to let you guys know. And there's a magnet, and it starts charging automatically. There you go. There's a charging station, so it starts plugging in. Now, this is an iPhone X, and too bad that this company didn't take advantage of the wireless charging. So it docks in, and it starts charging there. Let me see if it charges. I think it's charging now. So we're gonna pop it out. So you gotta mess with it. Dock it in. So you pretty much have to find the dock. I don't like this part of it, because you have to find some sort of docking area, and you gotta, it's not like if you want to plug it in at night, if you're coming home late and you just want to drop it, it's a little difficult. There it is, finally. So you had to pop it up a couple inches higher, a couple centimeters higher, and it starts charging both of them one. So the bad thing is that I wish they had this part of it wireless. It would have been nice to have both of them. I do like that it has a magnet. It just automatically connects there, and it displays pretty good. I just don't like the way that this sits in here. Pretty much, it's just like you gotta find it, hesitate with it, and instead of like an area where you actually could guide the system in. I don't like that part of it, because you're coming home late, it's dark, you want to dock it in. It's not a very good thing to do. I personally didn't like that part of it. I wish it could be much easier than just, you know, finding and hesitating. The ring that you do in the back, I had to pop it up a couple centimeters, so just to get the steam up and running. But the docking station is not that bad. It's a nice sort, you know. You come in there and it's a crazy thing, you know. Pick up your watch and you're ready to go up, but then you drop it in there, and it just automatically finds itself in the situation where it starts charging. I like that part. I do like that part. It's pretty much made good for phones, for the iWatch. It runs pretty decent, and it's one of those things that I would hesitate about it because of the way that it doesn't guide your phone to dock to start charging. I didn't like that part of it. It's very difficult. Like I said, somebody could break this piece in the bottom. You could maybe damage your phone. The design of it sucks. Honestly, it's completely not a very good design. I personally wouldn't buy it again if I knew it. If it comes wireless, this part of it wireless for you to charge your phone wireless, maybe I'll say yes, you know. But because it's not wireless, I don't recommend it. You know, it's in other iPhones, the next generation are going to be wireless to charge. It's a very convenient, unique way of transferring the electricity over to your phone and to charge your battery. I like it a lot, but until then, I mean, this plug is going to be pretty much my thing I have against it, and I wish it was all wireless devices. For the amount of power that you're actually generating, I thought it was going to do that, convert more power into the wireless, but it's not ready. I don't like it, and if you guys like it, if it's something that you guys think that you might like in the future, it's up to you. But personally, I wouldn't get this system again. Like I said, it's one of the things that I personally don't like, the way it's too bulky, too big, and too heavy. It doesn't have any guides for your actual phone to dock in there. You gotta mess with the little station in the back of it here. It's one of the things that I would just hesitate about buying this stuff. But if you guys need something like this, and it's convenient, I like this part of it. If you're gonna use it just for the phone, for the iPhone, for the iWatch, it's probably something you want to look into. But there's other better devices out there. It's a Belkin. It's out there. It's available. It's a combination of the iPhone and your iWatch. It took me a while to set it up. You guys saw how I messed around with this back end just to get it up and running. But other than that, it's good for your iWatch, I would say. That's it. That's pretty much what it is. Hopefully they come out with a better version. Like I said, the two wireless built into one. And if they do, I could even use this for my Droid, because it uses the same technology as your phone to wireless charge. So that's about it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and you've been watching Upgrade.